Hello and welcome guys. Let's understand question 13th. Using elementary transformation, find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists in exercises 1 to 17. The matrix is 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. The answer is A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. A is equal to IA. This implies 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 is equal to 1 0 0 1 into A. Row 2 is equal to 2 row 2 plus R1. That is row 1. This implies 2 minus 3 0 1 is equal to 1 0 1 2 into A. This implies R1 is equal to R1 plus 3 R2. This implies 2 0 0 1 is equal to 4 6 1 2 into A. Now dividing row 1 by 2, we get R1 is equal to R1 divided by 2. This implies 1 0 0 1 is equal to 2 3 1 2 into A. So the inverse of matrix A is A inverse is equal to 2 3 1 2.